Balikan po natin ang aksyon dito po sa Shakey's V-League this Thursday at 1 p.m. Letran kontra San Sebastian on GMA News TV. Saksihan niyo po yan at pakinggan po natin itong ating report from Rina Villamor.
Yes guys, kanina nga na itunong nyo kung pang ilang practice pa lang ni Sandra De Los Santos before going into this ball game. Pangatlong practice pa lang niya before coming into this game. At sabi nga ni Coach Jason sa akin kanina, what they need to do in this third set is to dictate the tempo of this game by playing it with fire. He kept reminding them na kailangan maglaro kayo na nasa puso nyo, puso ng isang champion. What's lacking in those first two sets, yung diskarte nila sa paglalaro. They need to read, to react, and to play smarter than the Lady Bulldogs. At dagdag pa nga ni Coach Jason dito, wag lang kayong bumitaw basta-basta sa mga blocks nyo. Back to you guys.
Easier said than done against 2 6-footers there, pero nevertheless, kailangan mga bigyan ng effort talaga.
Well, you know, para sa Perpetual, they have to realize and to believe na defending champion tayo ng NCAA.
Right.
Hindi lang tayo, you know, a weak team that's going against the UAAP team. You know what I'm saying? Kailangan laban pa rin.
Yan, tingnan mo yung laban doon na binigay ni Royce Tubino. De Los Santos with one of her patented drop shots, pero nakuha si Abar, hindi na naabutan yung tira. And another point here for NU. And Janice Abar will be replaced by Jane Diaz. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Jaja Santiago.
Which means bad news for Perpetual because Din is in front.
And bad news din pag nandun si Jaja eh.
Sabagay.
Diaz, reception. Guillermo, April Sartin at napalakas lamang ng bahagya. So pati mga ganong klaseng tira, hindi na rin pumapasok para sa Perpetual.
Pero yung service reception din ng Perpetual is actually very bad here in this third set. So itong si Guillermo hindi nakakaset ng mabuti.
Pero ngayon si Jaja nagka-service error naman. So namimigay pa rin ng puntos itong NU, hindi pa rin makahabol itong Perpetual. Isa pang tahimik ito si Sartin eh.
That's true.
Sartin serving. At again, another service error going the other way.
So that's why hindi makahabol ang Perpetual. Kung mag-error ang NU, babawian din ng Perpetual. So error for error.
Myla?
7-point lead.
Oh, ayan. Palitan na. Alam, napanood ka na ba ng badminton match na ganon? Puro service errors. Ito yung sinasabi mo kanina, setting problem as Argarin now will check in for Guillermo. So let's see if the veteran can set better. Sabi natin veteran, kaka-graduate lang. Reyes. De Leon on the attack. Sartin. At Diaz. Buti na lang. Pinapanood ng NU yung eksenang nangyayari doon.
Yung kaguluhan.
Oo, kaguluhan. At sinasabi ngayon, nire-reklamo daw, naka 4 touches na daw itong Perpetual. Sabi natin first referee, hindi daw. 12-7. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Aganon on the reception. De Leon turned back by De Los Santos.
That's right. That's the Sandra De Los Santos that we know of.
Sandra De Los Santos averaged almost 12 points a game nung nakaraang conference. At may dalawa pa laro naman dito ang NU, rather Perpetual. Pero they still need this game.
That's right. Well, we have to give an award.
Kanino?
Kay Jen Reyes.
Bakit?
Top franchisee for the year of 2013.
Oh, alam mo, dapat may event na si Sheila Pineda, no?
Top seller na yung
yung mga, kumbaga sa, ayun yung pinakamasipag magbenta at bumili. Di ba?
Well, NU, too much playtime.
Yan ang magandang downline. Hindi ko alam kung alam na ni Sheila Pineda yung eksena niyang The Franchise. Running attack. Almost no way to stop that from Dindin.
That's right. And to think, hindi pa solid yung palo niyang yun.
Oo. Saka talagang telegraph. Kitang-kita mo kung ano na mangyayari. 13-10. Ruby De Leon. Ito naman yung linesman. Tingin niya talaga sa paa ni Ruby yan. Natama tuloy sa antena. 13-11. Ayon, Sandra De Los Santos. Kailangan talaga akuhin na ni Sandra ito eh. Sige,
Yeah.
ako na magpapahabol sa inyo.
From the back.
Pwede rin naman, from the serve actually. That's a good one, see? But Reyes is just a great libero. That yan tuloy yung nangyari.
Ilan beses na siya ganyan, parang
Oo.
nag-sweep ng floor.
Alam mo, if it was any lesser than Jen Reyes, ace yun. Nagkataon si Jen Reyes lang talaga yung sumasalo.
True.
I mean, the great liberos of the Shakey's B-League, pwede natin balik-balikan yan. You had the Mary Jane Pepito, you had the Leslie Ann Gata, diba? Si Taganas ng FEU. Opya, sabi ni Ruby, ayoko na. Pero ito, dumidikit na naman ang Perpetual. They have to make a game out of this para seryosohin naman sila ng NU rito. Not that NU hindi sila siniseryoso. Talagang NU's just being a little bit more superior today.
And they're just being playful as well.
Right. Cases, another veteran who can make things happen. Agano, nice dig by Argarin. Diaz for Tubino. Dug up there by Dindin. Ruby going to Mina Aganon. Joy Cases once again. Jane Diaz. At that is a smart move by Jane Diaz. Isa na lang ang abante rito ng NU. 14-13 Lady Bulldogs. Cases to try and tie things up sa kanyang serve. Dindin. Ruby. Mina Aganon. Argarin. Sartin. Santiago. De Leon. Santiago na mas bata.
You know, the
Santiago
coverage
natin.
of both
Yeah.
squads, no? Very sharp.
Good coverage there by Cases. Argarin. Sartin. De Leon. Dindin. That is out. Nag-alaga yung linesman.
Exactly. Out. Wow, we're tied.
Oh, yan na nga, tied at 14. Pero yun na nga, I'm still lobbying for Hawkeye technology dito sa volleyball. Kung nagagamit sa tennis, maganda rin gamitin sa volleyball yan. Cases to try to get their first lead of this set. De Leon. Urdas, free ball. Ito na pagkakataon para sa Perpetual. Tubino. Nice dig by Reyes. And Aiko Urdas cannot get it through. Lamang na po ang Perpetual.
Well, too much playtime for NU with it getting the best of them right now here in the third set.
At si Cases, dinadaan sa pagkabeterano sa kanyang service. Very consistent. 15-14 Perps. Cases, another good serve. De Leon, Jaja ties it up at 15.
Well, you know, even if the blockers knew that they were going to Jaja, it's just a really nice play for NU.
Para si Dwight Howard na may hawak ng bola. Hindi mo lang pwedeng foulin yan. May yellow card ka dito. Di ba? Mina Aganon now. Argarin. Sartin. Sinubukan lusutan si Urdas. Hindi nangyari. Oh, kumagalaw yung ating net.
Whoop!
Where was that going? Saved pa rin by Joy Cases. Jaja, saved again. And Tubino getting it across. De Leon. Pablo, yes!
Oh. But we gotta give it to the defense of Perpetual.
Pero hindi pa rin nila nakuha yung punto. 16-15, close third set.